Hi, my name is Leanna Scott and I'm the Coping with Depression blogger for HealthyPlace.com. Today I want to talk to you about depression remission. There's nothing like talking about depression remission when you're actually in remission, and I am right now. So I'm feeling very blessed. My blog this week is about making the most out of feeling good when you're in remission. And the way that I do that is I have a feel-good to-do list in my head, although it's very helpful to write it down as well, and I have done that in the past. But I have certain things that I like to do when I can feel myself coming out of a depression. So I have a scale that on a daily basis I ask myself, where are you on this scale? Obviously, if I'm anywhere from 1 to 3 on a scale of 1 to 10, I'm not feeling like doing much of anything. So let's face it, even finding myself and answering myself about where I am on the scale is pretty hard. But when I can answer myself, I'm usually around a 3. And once I get up to about a 4, I start consulting that feel-good to-do list. What is it that I like to do when I'm feeling good? And when I start to think about those things maybe around 4, I start to feel hopeful again. And then, of course, my mood starts to elevate some more. I get around 5. And for me, on a scale of 1 to 10, when I can answer that I'm a 5, I feel as though I'm in some kind of depression remission. So what do? When I hit about a 5, I take to that list and I do at least one item on my list. So my feel better to-do list consists of things like reading, gardening, getting outside, getting in the sun, drinking a nice glass of wine, just laying in the grass, things like that that when I'm depressed I certainly won't be doing any of those. Top on the list is read, because I love to read, and when I'm depressed I can't concentrate at all. I could try and read, but I don't consume very much, so I usually hit my Twitter feed and read little snippets of information. But in any case, when I am in remission, I take to my list and I do one item, and then I do 2 items, and then sure enough it helps to pull me even higher above the number 5 in the scale. So I'm happy to report that in the last few months I've gotten as far up as a 9, but having said that, in the last few weeks I have been as low down as a 2. So it's important for me to keep that to-do list in my head and be active and consult it when I am starting to feel that I'm getting a little bit better, a little bit lighter when my depression does hit. In any case, I hope that's helpful to you. I know that it's hard, believe me, I know. So even if you are low right now, just think of one thing that you might enjoy doing when you start feeling better, and make that your feel better to-do list. And then when you do feel a little bit better, try and do it. Add another thing to the list, and then keep it handy for those times. Thanks.